this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. So we're going to start just by heading over to the official GitHub website, which is github.com. And once you're on this website, click on sign up in the top right hand side. Now, all you need to do is go and enter an email address for your account. So I'm going to type that in here. And you'll also need to go and enter a password as well. And then we can create a username. Now it will tell you if this username is available. So you can see this one here is taken. So I'm just going to try something else. And then we can press continue. Now the next thing you'll need to do is verify your account by solving this puzzle. So I'm going to click on the visual puzzle button and then just go and complete the puzzle as seen below and press submit. Now, once you've done that, you'll also need to verify your email address. So you should have been emailed an 8-digit code to your registered email address. So I've got this code right here. So I'm just going to come and copy this and then I'm going to paste the code inside of here and press continue. And then as you can see, your account has now been created successfully. So what we can do is now sign in to our account. So once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the official GitHub dashboard. And from here, you can go and create your first project. You can also search for existing projects. And if you want to visit your own profile, then we can just click on the profile icon in the top right hand side and select your profile. So this is our own GitHub profile page and you can see the link for this at the top here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.